Bite-sized German lessons by 11%. Alle. Alle, 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 alle. No, not that. Alle means everyone. Alle. 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 Alle meaning everyone, everybody, or all. Alle is a pronoun or a quantifier. How many? All of them. Alle. For example, at the beginning of the class, the teacher might ask, Sind alle da? Is everyone here? Alle haben die Hausaufgaben gemacht. Everyone did their homework. This is the students lying, I guess. Es geht uns alle an. It concerns us all. Alle waren krank. Everyone was sick. Alle Dokumente sind auf dem Computer gespeichert. All documents are saved on the computer. And then it breaks down and you lose all your files. Hast du alle Sachen mitgebracht? Did you bring all the things with you? Alle versus alles. Very similar but also very, very different. We'll try to keep it easy and explain it in the simplest way possible. Alle will come in front of a noun. For example, alle Männer, all men. Alle Frauen, all women. Alle Kinder, all children. Alle Sachen, all things. And so on. Alles will not be in front of a noun, but stand on its own, just like everything in English. Alles in Ordnung. Everything okay. Ich habe alles. I have everything. Hat alles vergessen. He forgot everything. You can maybe think of it this way. If in English you would use everything, you use alles in German. Alles ist gut. Everything is fine. Ich weiß nicht alles. I don't know everything. Hat alles kaputt gemacht. He broke everything. The word all is usually seen in the form alle, but other forms are possible. You can think of it as meaning all in the sense of all the. Ich mag alle Farben. I like all the colors. Ich nehme alle Bücher mit. I'll take all the books. Alle Kinder. All the kids. And if you want to level up even more, you should know this. Unfortunately for you, alle as a pronoun will get declined, meaning you will have to change them through all the cases. Alle is nominative and accusative, and allen is dative. For example, alle Sachen sind hier. All the things are here. Nominative. Ich sehe alle Leute. I see all people. Accusative. Geht mit allen seinen Freunden zur Party. He is going to the party with all of his friends. Dative. Today we learned the useful but tricky little pronoun alle, meaning all, every, or everybody. And now it's, of course, time for a little exercise or Übung. Alle or alles. Write your answers in the comments below and get the chance to win a free beginner German course. Check out if you want your free German A1 course and get the correct answers in the next episode. Good luck! Hungry for more? Subscribe to the channel and set up a micro-learning habit. Or visit the website for more German learning adventures. See you in the next lesson. Tschüss!